In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a message whenever an application opens. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Mayank and I'm a technologist based in Singapore. And on this channel, we explore various technology topics, tricks, as well as devices which helps you become tech smart. So there has been a feature in iOS called Shortcuts, which is actually a great feature. It has a great functionality called automation, which allows you to do a lot more stuff. And it is something that's what we are going to use to achieve what we are talking about here. That is sending a SMS whenever you open an application. So let's get started. Okay, to set this up, what we are going to do is we are going to open Spotlight. In Spotlight, I'm going to look for shortcuts. Once we have shortcut open, that we will go for automation tab in the bottom. Then on top right, we have an add button. I'll just click on that. Once I've clicked on that, we can click on create personal automation. Once we do that, what we have to do is we have to look for app, because this automation is essentially going to be for an application. So once I look for the application, let's say I choose YouTube. So anytime someone opens YouTube on my phone, I should get a message on a specific number that I want to really program to that someone has opened YouTube on this device. This can be set up on iPad as well. So if you're a parent, you can really do this for your kids so that you get to know that okay, your kid has opened YouTube and stuff like that, or it could be any other application that you want to control on. So I'm just going to look for SMS, or rather messages. So I'll just click on this. Now I have an option that I can send message. So first field is message, second field is the recipient. We have different variables as well that it will ask each time for something, current date, shortcut input, or things like that. So I can really choose shortcut input or whatever I really want to choose. Right now I'm just going to put YouTube open so that we can test this functionality. And the recipient, I'm just going to put my own number. Since I have that in contacts, I can do that. Done. Once I've done this, I just click on next. Here we have asked before running, so I don't want them to know, like the person who is opening YouTube, to know that a message is going to get sent out. So I'm just going to uncheck this, don't ask, done, and you're done. So essentially, anytime someone opens YouTube, you see that there's a notification, YouTube open, running your app automation, and I get a message, YouTube open as well. So if I go here, I have this message, YouTube open, in the messages section as well. So that's it. That's all that need to be done to really automate this. You can use these shortcuts for various other stuff as well. This is just one of the options. If I go here in personal automation, we have various things like on particular time of the day or whatever I want to do. Maybe when I get an email from a particular person, when I get a message from a particular person, something should happen. When I connect to a specific Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, any sort of application that opens or closes, then do not disturb, low power mode, and various other stuff. So let's say if I choose any other application here, this particular application maybe, and I go next. In that case, we can add series of actions. This messaging was just one of the things. I can call automatically as well. I can change alarm. I can record new voice or whatever I want to do. I can send a message directly here as well to WhatsApp and on Slack as well. So in scripting as well, you get various other options that you can open on any other application, or you can exit shortcuts, or get battery level, various other things, as you can see. So there's a number of possibilities that you can really do with this automation. This is just one of the examples that you can really do with automation. Like I have various other automations already added up. If you have not seen my home automation video, you will also see in that particular video that last person leaves home, a particular action actually happens. This action is basically, it is going to turn off the aircon and the TV in my house. So whenever the last person leaves, they don't have to do it on their own. It turns off automatically. When the first person arrives home, so anyone, me or my wife, comes home, aircon turns on, speaker turns on, TV turns on. So yep, these kind of stuff can be also done. To do that, you need to really do some more home automation, and that can be automated as well. So yes, this is a very interesting feature. It has a lot of capabilities which allows you to do a lot more as compared to just sending out an SMS. And this can be used in various ways. So I hope you like this video. If you did, in that case, hit the like button and subscribe to Tech with MK for more such content every week. Thank you guys.
It's mine.